Hi everybody, I'm back, and for dinner we're doing some pan-fried potatoes. So first thing I'll do is get an onion chopped up, and we'll get that going in our pan with butter. And I have already taken some russet potatoes, peeled, chopped into cubes, and boiled. So they are ready to be drained. I like to pre-cook the potato chunks if I'm going to do a pan fry, because they don't need to be in the pan that long. And I often find that if I don't pre-cook them, I get a little burning action, which I'm not really looking for. We're just going to go with a rough chop. Put those right in the pan. There we go. And we'll go in with about, I don't know, a lot of butter. That's about 2 tablespoons. And my heat is at 5, so medium. I cook these slowly. Okay. Use this plate for a spoon. And we'll get the potatoes drained. Okay, so potatoes are drained, and I have more than I need for this project, but let's turn on the torch. There we go. But I'll put in enough to fill the bottom of the pan. There we go. And I'll save the rest and we'll make some potato salad. Because I love potato salad, and I happen to have some celery I want to use up. So let's go in with some garlic, a nice big heaping teaspoon. And let's see for seasoning. Alright, we'll do some paprika, some Italian herb, some salt. The potatoes were cooked in boiling water with some salt, but I'm going to add a little bit more salt. And then at the very end, if we need a little more, we'll go in with that. And we'll do some Italian herbs. I'll just finish that up. That's about a tablespoon. And some sweet paprika. And some black pepper. I like a lot of pepper in my potatoes. I like a lot of garlic. There we go. So just give that a little bit of a stir, and then we'll turn it down to 4 out of medium-low. And that's basically how I like my pan-fried potatoes. So we'll cover that, and we'll let it do its thing. Okay, there we go. We're going to use the Foreman grill tonight to make burgers. So we'll get that going. I don't need to put those on yet. The potatoes need about 30 minutes to roast up real nice. So I will come back with you. So we'll use the Foreman grill, and we have some nice new buns that were from the bakery today. Let's see, and we need lettuce and tomato. So we'll put this on hold and we'll come back. I'll come back with you here when the potatoes are closer to being done, and we'll do the burgers, okay? Okay, we're back. We're going to form the burgers, and we're going to cut up the tomato and the lettuce. Burger will be seasoned with salt and pepper. That's 1 pound. And what are we making it into? 4?
4 burgers.
Oh, there's the lettuce ready to go.
Farm raised burger.
Farm raised burger. Do you want any garlic powder on that?
We could.
Okay.
Any Montreal seasoning with that?
Well, that's basically what you have. There's the garlic. The no, it has a shaker if you want the shaker.